Alright, so here we've got the S1000XR from BMW. Basically completely new, this bike. It's got the 999cc water-cooled inline-4, and apparently it's going to put out 165 horsepower, so that's 5 more than the last S1000XR at 11,000 RPM. Apparently they've also changed the gearing on this bike, so 4th, 5th and 6th are a little bit longer, which is going to give you less noise and fuel consumption at motorway speeds. And they've given it what they call an anti-hop clutch, which I assume is a bit like a slipper, and engine braking control is new as well. I've got a new frame design on this bike, using the engine as a stress member. And then we've got 45mm upside down forks with electronic adjustments, so you can customize the ride from the switchgear through the dash. It comes with 3 riding modes, but also fully configurable, which is new for this bike, so you can dial in all of the settings yourself, and it's got all the modes and aids you'd expect, so ABS, traction control, wheelie control, hill start, cruise control as well. So you've got a bit of the M Sport branding on the saddle there, embroidered in. That's new for BMW. But yeah, that's the new S1000XR. As you can see, quite difficult to get near it. Lots of people coming for a sit on this bike, and it's been a popular model for BMW the previous gen, so it looks like it'll probably be the same again.